अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है हमारे इस चैनल फ़न एंड फैक्ट्स हब में। आज मैं जो आपको बताने जा रही हूँ वो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, बहुत काम की चीज़ है, स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिनको शौक़ है फ़ॉरेन पढ़ने जाने का बट वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते। सो गाइज़ लेट्स स्टार्ट। गाइज़ वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, अगर आपने हमारे इस चैनल फ़न एंड फैक्ट्स हब को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और ये वीडियो अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जैसे आपको जो बेनिफिट हो रहा है वो आपके भी फ्रेंड्स को हो सके। थैंक यू। सो गाइज़, जो स्कॉलरशिप है हमारी, इस स्कॉलरशिप का नेम है ऑस्ट्रेलियन गवर्नमेंट रिसर्च स्कॉलरशिप 2020 विच इज़ फुली फंडेड का मतलब क्या होता है कि आपको ₹1 भी पे करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, मतलब बिल्कुल फ्री। गाइज़, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आप इस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए किस तरह अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। द मेजर डिस्कशन पॉइंट टुडे दिस ब्लॉग्स इज़ हाउ टू अप्लाई ऑस्ट्रेलियन गवर्नमेंट रिसर्च स्कॉलरशिप 2020, स्कॉलरशिप कवरेज, स्कॉलरशिप ड्यूरेशन, available study fields, eligibility criteria, selection timeline, application procedure, ये सारे पॉइंट्स डिस्कस करेंगे हम आज इस वीडियो में। The University of Adelaide consistently features in the top 150 international universities as ranked by the Academic Ranking of World Universities, the QS World University Rankings, and the Times Higher Education World University Rankings, situating it securely in the top 1% of ranked universities worldwide. The university's Faculty of Health and Medical Sciences and schools of Physical Sciences, Nursing, and Social Sciences and Humanities, in particular, are reliably ranked in the top 75 of their respective worldwide ranking. So guys, आगे हम बात करते हैं स्कॉलरशिप कवरेज के बारे में। स्कॉलरशिप कवरेज, Australian scholarships is a fully funded scholarships for international students in Australia. The scholarships in Australia 2020 will cover the following expenses: stipend, an annual living allowance of AUD 28,092, tax-free, 2020 value, for up to 2 years for a research master's degree and up to 3 years for a research doctorate degree. Second, full tuition fee for masters up to 2 years and for doctoral degree up to 4 years. And the third point, medical funds, paid sick leave. And the fourth point is overseas students health cover. Fifth, travel allowance airfare, $1,000 travel from their home country to or from Adelaide. Submission of the thesis. This is the sixth point. Submission of the thesis. Example, editing, printing, binding. ये सारी चीज़ें का benefits है आपके लिए. And all the costs odd $840 for doctoral candidates. Odd $420 for masters by research candidates. सो गाइज़, ये जो मैंने सारे आपको 6 पॉइंट्स बताए बेनिफिट्स के, ये सारे एक्सपेंसेस आपको ये ऑस्ट्रेलियन स्कॉलरशिप वाले प्रोवाइड करेंगे। द स्कॉलरशिप इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया 2020 विल कवर ऑल दीज एक्सपेंसेस दैट आई टोल्ड यू। स्कॉलरशिप ड्यूरेशन. So guys, now let's talk about the scholarship duration. What is the duration of your degree, the program you are going to continue? Master's program up to 2 years. The master's program you will cover will be 2 years, like if you are done with any other program from this earlier. And let's talk about PhD program. It is a 4-year program. It will PhD program will be up to 4 years. Guys, next let us continue about available study fields. Available study fields, like what other fields are available for the students. University of Adelaide Australian Government Research Scholarship in Australia is offering scholarship in all the academic majors or faculties. The list of the fields is given below. The list of the fields will be arts and engineering, computer and mathematical sciences, professions, health and medical sciences, and all the other sciences. This list that I told you is all that will be covered. These were all the available study fields. Again, let me repeat this. The list of the fields is given below: arts, engineering, computer and mathematical sciences, health and medical sciences, professions, sciences. Guys, now let's talk about eligibility criteria. Like, what is the criteria? And this is a basic eligibility criteria for scholarship in Australia for masters and for scholarships in Australia for PhD. Like, if you are interested in whether a master's program or if you are interested in PhD program, then now I'm going to tell you about the eligibility criteria. And this is a basic eligibility criteria for scholarship in Australia for masters and for scholarships in Australia for PhD. First, applicants must be international students. Like the universities in which you are studying must have the degree of international. Applicants must be international students. And the second point that is required is applicants are required to have successfully completed at least the equivalent of an Australian honours degree. Like I told you before, that applicants are required to successfully complete at least the equivalent of an Australian honours degree. And the third point that is required is applicants are required to provide evidence of meeting the University of Adelaide's English language proficiency requirements. Like, it is a must point of all that the third point and the last point, that applicants are required to provide evidence of meeting the University of Adelaide's English language proficiency requirements. Selection timeline. Guys, now let's talk about the selection timeline, like what is required to be selected in this program. And this is scholarship. Applicants will be notified of the outcome of their scholarship application in mid-October 2020. Recipients must commence their research program in semester 1 2021 between 1st January 2021 and 30 January 2021. And the last requirement that I'm going to discuss is application procedure. Like, what will be the procedure of this application? There is an online application system for Adelaide Scholarships 2020. The link for online application portal and for official website is given below in description. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks a ton for watching this video. If you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Kindly like the video. If you have any query related to topic, kindly comment in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video. फिर जल्दी ही मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. खुदा हाफिज. Thank you so much.